Let's investigate how many throws it would take a surgeon to close this wound. In surgery, each loop of suture material around the needle holders represents one throw, and the first knot created with these throws is called the approximation loop. It's the most important because it brings the wound edges together. All the other knots tied on top of this only serve to secure the approximation loop and prevent it from loosening. As you can see, the single and double throw approximation loops did not create enough friction to hold the wound edges together, so they aren't perfectly opposed. Moving on to a triple throw approximation loop, you'll notice I pull the edges of suture material to one side before securing the approximation loop. This has three main purposes. Firstly, it compresses the approximation loop and locks it in place, so it doesn't loosen before I can add more knots to secure it. It also prevents the knot from interfering with wound healing at the margin, as well as making the sutures much easier to remove. But looks like even 3 throws wasn't enough to close this wound. So if you guessed that it would take 4 throws to create the perfect approximation loop, you were right.